Hello IG Garage family, if your scanner is showing the P2440 code, don't ignore it. Because this code is related to your vehicle's secondary air injection system, specifically the switching valve. And if left unresolved, it can increase exhaust emissions, cause cold start problems, and keep the check engine light on. What does P2440 mean? P2440 stands for Secondary Air Injection System Switching Valve Stuck Open, Bank 1. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the secondary air injection switching valve on Bank 1 is stuck in the open position or is remaining open when it should be closed. The secondary air injection system is designed to inject fresh air into the exhaust during a cold engine start. The system uses an air pump and switching valves to control where that fresh air goes. Once the engine reaches the required operating condition, the valve should close. If the valve stays open, exhaust gases can flow backward into the air injection system. This can damage the air pump and cause the ECU to store the P2440 trouble code. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2440, you may notice check engine light on, rough cold starts, higher exhaust emissions, poor cold start performance, unusual noise from the secondary air pump, reduced fuel economy, additional secondary air injection system codes, and in some cases, water or exhaust contamination can damage the air injection pump. Many vehicles may drive normally once the engine warms up. Valve location. Now let's talk about location. The secondary air injection switching valve is usually located near the secondary air pump or connected to the air injection pipes leading toward the exhaust manifold. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine containing cylinder number 1. Depending on the vehicle, the valve may be controlled electrically or through engine vacuum. The system also includes air hoses, check valves, pressure sensors, and an air pump. The most common causes of P2440 include stuck secondary air injection switching valve, carbon or dirt buildup inside the valve, faulty valve actuator, damaged vacuum hose, faulty vacuum control solenoid, damaged electrical wiring, corroded electrical connector, water or exhaust contamination, faulty secondary air pump or a damaged check valve. A valve that becomes mechanically stuck open is one of the most common causes of this trouble code. Quick diagnosis: start by scanning for additional secondary air injection system codes. Inspect the switching valve and air hoses for damage. Check vacuum lines if the valve is vacuum operated. Inspect the electrical connector and wiring for corrosion or broken wires. Use a professional scan tool to command the switching valve and check whether it responds correctly. Also inspect the system for signs of water or exhaust contamination. How to fix P2440: clean the switching valve if it is contaminated and serviceable. Replace the valve if it is mechanically stuck or damaged. Repair damaged vacuum hoses. Replace a faulty vacuum control solenoid if necessary. Repair damaged wiring. Clean or replace corroded connectors. Check and replace a damaged check valve. Inspect the secondary air pump for water or exhaust contamination. Clear the trouble code. And perform a cold start test to verify that the valve opens and closes at the correct time. Final result: fixing P2440 will restore proper secondary air injection system operation, prevent exhaust gases from entering the air injection system, protect the secondary air pump, reduce harmful exhaust emissions, improve cold start emissions performance, and help keep the check engine light off. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.